All right, so I'm continuing on with my jewelry cabinet project, and since I made the box using miters, I needed to make the miters stronger by adding some splines. And usually I would use my table saw to make these splines with a jig, but since it's just a little bit too big to do that safely, I went ahead and used my biscuit cutter, and this made it extremely easy. And it's not the most accurate way of doing it, but it was definitely the safest way at the time for me. So basically, I just made my own little splines out of pieces of scrap walnut, glued them in place, and cut them as close as I could to the box without messing up the veneer. And then came back, sanded over it, and now I have a nice strong miter joint. And please continue to follow this build with me. Part 2 will be coming out pretty soon. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, please go and watch part 1. I'll put a little link up in the top of the corner. Thank you again for watching and subscribing, commenting, liking, and everything else.